Hi guys, welcome to this quarter's market snapshot for the suburb of East Perth. I'm here at the local distillery, Whippersnapper. I'm also accompanied by my work colleague Brad Triplett, who's very prominent in the area. And you're also one of the best looking agents, aren't you?
Thanks for the intro, Clint.
Nah, all good, all good. What's your take on the current market conditions?
Yeah, it's a good question. The current market at the moment is actually quite positive. We've come from a pretty dark place in the last sort of 24 months, as we know, with the market coming back. Right now we're seeing a lot of interstate buyer activity from the Sydney and Melbourne markets, which is obviously great for our vendors selling here in Perth. Yeah. But all in all, we're just seeing a big spike in buyer activity since the start of this year. I think buyers are obviously starting to realise that it's a reasonable time to be entering the market, and that's good for sellers. It's giving sellers a lot of opportunities to make a sale and for a decent price.
Yeah. Collectively as an office, we've sold over 50 apartments in East Perth. What's the key factor to achieving the highest price?
Yeah, it's a good question. I think our office has had a lot of success over the last 12 months, as you're saying, and I think there's three things that have been working well and that are really important to achieving successful sale. One of those is presentation. Presentation in this market is obviously extremely important. Obviously, with a lot of property on the market, it's important that your property is presenting in its absolute best light. So that's one. Obviously, quality marketing. At Real Mark Central, we make sure that our vendor's property stands out through great video, great photography and great online presence. So that's a very important factor. And the other one is obviously selecting an agent which is going to strategise the sale in a way where it will sell for the best price. I think long gone are the days where you can put a price on a property and it sells itself, like what's happening in Sydney. Yeah. Right now in this market, you need someone who's going to be able to put a strategy in place in order to get you the best result.
Completely agree. And what's your opinion moving forward?
Clint, I definitely think the worst of the decline in the market has already passed. I think moving forward we're going to start to see some positive signs. We're already seeing a huge amount of buyer activity from both the local and the interstate markets, which is a good sign for our vendors. Yeah. I think moving forward, the next 6 to 12 months might be a little bit stagnant. I don't think there's going to be too much change, positive or negative, but I think certainly in the next 2 to 3 year period, that's where we're going to start to see some positive trends in the Perth in-city market.
Yeah, completely agree. Well, thanks for the insight today, Brad, and thank you for tuning in, and I look forward to seeing you next time.